how to use Spacedesk with USB. So you're gonna have to install your Spacedesk on both devices. So for your PC, you can go to your preferred browser and just search for Spacedesk driver. Go ahead into Spacedesk by that over here. And you're gonna go ahead and choose whichever option you are going for. So driver available for this. So you're gonna have to choose that option and it's gonna lead you to here. Choose whichever option suits your device. In our case, we're going to go with Windows 11 64-bit. And after the download, you can go ahead and open up the file. As for the app, let's say your phone or your tab, something like that, you can go ahead to your Play Store and just search for Spacedesk. This should be the first option. So USB display for PC. Go ahead and install this and basically have this ready on the side for later. So now we're going to go ahead and basically follow up with the setup over here so that we can open up our Space Disk driver. So now we're going to enable the USB connection on the PC. So over here, you can go ahead and toggle this up and we can right click and just open it directly from here, which is Space Disk driver console. Now, once this is open, you're going to go ahead into your communication interfaces and just toggle on the USB cable Android. After that, you can go ahead and connect the Android device by USB. So make sure your driver console is open, but you're going to connect the phone or tablet directly to the PC using a USB data cable and avoid the charge only cable since they cannot transmit the display data. You can also go ahead and open up the viewer app in your phone. So it should automatically detect and connect the Windows PC through USB. It does appear here right now, but it's going through Wi-Fi connection since we didn't really plug in a USB, but it's pretty much one proof that it does work. But here it is with a actual cable. So always open Spacedesk when USB is connected. We can turn it on if we want. Press an OK and it will appear over here. So as you can see, it's pretty much just showing the screen of our PC now. Computer or whatever device, and we're using a type C to type C cable right now actually since we don't have a USB to type C, but it's pretty much the same thing and basically another piece of proof that it actually just works this way. And if it doesn't work, you could try using a different USB port or using a different cable. You could restart both devices and just make sure this over here USB cable Android is toggled on properly. But it's just a check. But that's pretty much the process and how you can do this. If you want to try it on different devices, you could. But hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.